Good morning, this is Federico Bentley from Ayondo Markets giving you this morning's market update. This morning we start by looking at the European markets, where the UK 100 rolling is 70 points lower, the France 40 rolling is around 44 points lower, and the Germany 30 rolling is around 160 points lower in this morning's trading. After 4 days on the up, the FTSE 100 closed down by 1.1% yesterday. Overnight, the running streak in the States also came to halt, while Asia has kicked off Friday trading on the back foot, with the Nikkei 225 down 0.8%. Attention stayed with the bond markets yesterday as the cost of government debt hit a record low in the UK and the new tranche of German bonds looked set to begin trading at negative rates. Yields on UK 10-year bonds dropped to 1.22%, at the lowest since the Bronze Age, as one analyst noted, as government-backed cash appeared to be the safest place for investors to stick their money ahead of the EU referendum. Currencies and commodities were relatively quiet yesterday, with the pound easing back slightly and the price of metals and oil dipping. With the US Federal Reserve in pre-meeting purdah, a lack of economic data in the wings, and the Euro 2016 kicking off today, it might just be an even quieter Friday than usual on the markets. Now elsewhere for some corporate news, BP is set to spin off its Norwegian oil and gas arm $140 million, around £97 million plus equity deal with Det Norske. Tesco confirmed the sale of its Turkish Keeper business to Migros for £30 million, reducing the supermarkets group debt by around £110 million, and announced it will sell the Giraffe restaurant chain to Boparan Restaurant Holdings. Sainsbury's Chief Financial Officer John Rogers will become CEO of Home Retail Group, replacing John Walden once a £1.4 billion takeover is complete. The UK boss of Boots, Simon Roberts, has been given the kick and will leave the High Street Pharmacy in July. Current Managing Director of Boots International Retail Arm, Elizabeth Fagan, will take over. And tissue maker Accrol Group will float on the London Stock Exchange this morning, with shares starting trading at £1 and a market capitalisation of around £93 million. And for some key data in focus that we've already had actually at 9:30am with the UK construction output for April, and again at 9:30 with the UK consumer inflation expectations. That's all for today's news, so thank you very much for listening and all the best on your day's trading.